Okay, welcome back to Java programming class. We are in unit 3. In this class, let's discuss about types of inheritance. So types of inheritance. So there were 5 basic types of inheritances: single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple inheritance. When I say single inheritance, when a single child class extends the properties of the parent class, so there is only one parent and one child, then it is called single inheritance. For example, I got a superclass and a subclass. This relation is called as single inheritance. So class superclass int I, class subclass extends superclass int j. This is an example for single inheritance. When a single child class extends the properties of the parent class. If we got a single child class and single parent class, then we call it as single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a subclass becomes a superclass for another class. What does it mean? Let us see this. I had a superclass and a subclass. Okay. If this subclass is parent of another class, see this, I got another subclass and this is child of this class. I should have mentioned 1 and 2 here, subclass 1, subclass 2, or something like that. So we can say that this is one level of inheritance, this is another level of inheritance. We say, based on that, we can say that it is multi-level inheritance. For example, I got class A and class B extends A. We know that B is child of A. Class C extends B and C is child of B. This is an example for multi-level inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, one class can act as parent to many subclasses. Okay, you can see this. I got this superclass and this is acting as parent to subclass 1 and subclass 2. So this superclass is parent to 2 subclasses. This is called hierarchical inheritance. When a class is acting as parent to more than one subclasses, then we call it as hierarchical in the same level. Then we call it as hierarchical inheritance. So to create hierarchical inheritance, we are giving the example class A. Class B extends A. B is child of A now. Class C is also extending to A. So C is also child of A. This is an hierarchical inheritance example. Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is nothing but one class, this is our subclass, extending more than one class, that is our parent class. If we have more than one parent class, 2 parent classes, 3 parent classes for one subclass, then we call it as multiple inheritance. That is, one class has more than one parent, then we call it as multiple inheritance. In Java, you can only specify one superclass to one subclass. So there is a limitation in Java. In Java, there is only one superclass allowed for one subclass. So multiple inheritance is not possible in Java. Java does not support inheritance of multiple superclasses to single subclass. You can achieve multiple inheritance in Java using interfaces. Once we learn interfaces, we can think of how to achieve multiple inheritance in Java. So this will be like this. I got a superclass and another superclass. If a particular class is extending to both these classes, superclass 1 and superclass 2, then we call it as multiple inheritance. Hybrid inheritance. Okay, it is combination of more than one type of inheritance, we can say. Single inheritance and multiple inheritance, or single inheritance and hierarchical, some other kind of inheritance. A hybrid inheritance can be achieved in Java in the same way as multiple inheritance using interfaces. Okay, I got superclass. Assume that this is an example for hybrid inheritance. So which has 2 childs. Again, these 2 childs are superclasses for another class, subclass 1. This is an example for hybrid inheritance. Okay. With this, we discussed about types of inheritances. In the next class, we will discuss about super and final keyword. Thank you, everyone.